Ready to plan a wedding that floats on Venetian magic? Here's your step-by-step guide. First things first, secure your venue. Venice is packed with stunning options from historic palazzos to secret gardens by the Grand Canal. Book early, especially for peak season, these spots fill up fast. Next, permits and paperwork. Italy loves a bit of bureaucracy. Make sure your couple's documents are in order: birth certificates, passports, and sometimes translations or an atto notario. Partner with a local wedding planner or agency for smooth sailing. Now, logistics. Venice is a city on water, so think boats, not buses. Book water taxis for your guests, arrange transport for flowers, decor, and the all-important cake. For catering, local flavors shine. Think Prosecco Cicchetti and authentic Venetian seafood. Choose a caterer who knows the area and can handle deliveries by boat. Don't forget the weather. Venice can be humid, and acqua alta or high water can strike unexpectedly. Always have a backup plan for outdoor events. Finally, embrace the romance. Organize a canal-side aperitivo or a masked ball for that extra touch of Venetian drama. Work with local vendors for florals, music, and photography. They know how to capture Venice at its best. And remember, in Venice, the journey is part of the magic. With careful planning, you'll create a wedding your clients and their guests will never forget. Buona fortuna and happy planning!